Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2018 Ram 1500 Crew Cab Short Box EcoDiesel Limited. This truck's loaded. Got every option. It's finished in black, the black interior, chrome wheels, navigation. It's a one owner. Rear sliding window, heated seats, air conditioned seats, moonroof, bed liner, you name it, it has a tow package. Love the EcoDiesel. It's got tons of torque. Tilt wheel, adjustable pedals, automatic headlights, fog lights, one touchdown windows up front, power windows. They also fold. Cool. Monster moonroof. Leather seats with the embroidery. Beautiful. Two-person memory. Lumbar support. Factory floor mats. Beautiful charcoal wood. Gorgeous truck. Original owner's manuals. Obviously 4-wheel drive. Push button start. Automatic temperature control. But all the Uconnect apps and stuff like that as well. Like I said, heated driver's seat, heated seats, ventilated seats, Wi-Fi hotspot. It's got everything. Automatic climate control, backup camera, heated steering wheel. I mean, on and on and on. Sirius satellite radio, CD, USB, CarPlay. Showing 65,270 miles. Really cool gauges. Super neat. Alpine sound system. Home link, automatic dimming rearview mirror. Oh, that's the rear sliding window. How cool is that? Roof with one touch open. Nice charcoal wood with the embroidery. So fantastic. Oh, look at the buckles in the back. How cool is that? So neat. A little suede insert on the inside. Heated rear seats with the 12-volt adapter. Doesn't look like anyone's ever even been back here. Beautiful. I would venture to say no one's been back here. Look at the limited actual leather. It's so pretty. Speakers everywhere too. Ceiling. You name it. Center armrest. Cup holders there, cup holders there. Rear climate control. Neat. There's also storage under the seat. It's also a full flat. Bring that all the way down. Gives you a flat area for storage. Cool. And a little light. Creates a great ambient light too on the floor. Factory spray and bed liner. With the lights. All LED lights throughout this truck too. It still has the plastic on the sill. How cool is that? Love that ambient light there. That's pretty neat. fully equipped. Closest one with this kind of miles is about 250 miles away. Airbags everywhere, so pretty truck. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures and information on our website, weebyautos.com. This truck is on consignment. He's the original owner and he's priced to sell. Give me a call.